Handy Andy here and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, Handy Andy here of ASM Property Services, Huddersfield's #1 handyman service in West Yorkshire, United Kingdom. You can Google me and find out about me. Today I'm doing a how-to video. This behind me is an old cupboard door. It's not a new one, but quite a lot of people wonder how you fit the handles to the doors, especially when there's no pre-drilled holes. Now I don't know whether you can see this. We'll just zoom in slightly. As you can see, there's already holes drilled in where the handle was, because obviously this is an old door. It was this handle here that was on it. So what we're going to do is going to reposition the handle somewhere else on the door, so you've got an idea on how to fit these handles. Now handles come in various different types. I have a few here just to show you. They have like these types and these types and these types. Obviously you buy different handles in different stores, so when you buy a kitchen you might get to choose the handles you want. However, the holes are not pre-drilled, so you don't know how to fit them. So this video should help you fit these handles to the doors, and this is how I do it. Okay, right, step one, you need some tools. Drill is a good idea. Set square, tape measure, screwdriver, nice sharp drill bit, pencil, scrap of wood, very important, and you may require, we also require one of these. This is what's called a clamp. It's an adjustable clamp. It's a quick release. As you can see, you just squeeze the trigger and the clamp closes up like that. These are very good. You can buy them in most DIY shops or online if you can find them online. So yeah, let's get started with this little project, and we can show you how to fit this handle to the door. Okay guys, as I previously mentioned, the holes were already in where the handle goes, so let's change the handle. This is a scrap door, so obviously these holes wouldn't be there in a new door. So let's say we wanted to fit this to this door, like so. So it looks something like that. Okay, first thing you need to do is measure. So you need to decide what height and how far in. So let's match this one. It's about 2 inches in, so we'll measure 2 inches in. We'll measure 2 inches from the bottom, like so. Now what you've got to remember is this door would normally be on a cupboard. So what would actually happen is once you've actually marked these out, you have to do them all the same, otherwise the handles won't be even and you'll have like a mismatch when you look across them. So all the handles have to be measured the same. It doesn't matter how uneven the doors are, because the doors will adjust on the kitchen cupboards on the hinges, so you need to do all the handles the same on each door. So we'll go back to it. Now this is the set square. What we do, first of all, clean it. Now you'll probably notice that there's markings on it for the measurements. Now these generally wear off after time, so the way I do it is to place a mark on the set square, which is there. That's 2 inches. That's exactly where I want it now. Then check it against that one and leave the X there. Now here comes the interesting bit. What you do is you take the handle like so, This is the handle. You hold it and where the mark is there and line it up. It could be a good idea to leave the screws in because you can just mark like this, one either side, and one there and one there. So what you're actually doing is you're marking the top hole here. This doesn't require any measurements with a tape measure yet, because all you're simply doing is placing a mark on the door where you want the hole. Like so. Don't worry about pencil marks, they will rub off. There we go, we've got the mark where we need to be. There. And then all we need to do, remember the mark that I placed on the set square and bring it down. So now we need the centre there, so we'll measure the centre and we have the centre there. Okay, we're now ready to drill the holes, but before we drill the holes, what we need to do, and again this is how I do this, is the scrap piece of wood, and this is where the clamp comes in, goes behind the door. Like so. Now what this does is, say if you were to drill the hole, say this one here, when the drill comes out the other side it will splinter the door and leave a nasty mark there, and you don't want that to happen. It needs to look a nice tidy neat hole. So what we'll do is I'll show you now. What I forgot to mention is make sure your drill is the right size for the screws that are in the handle. I usually use one slightly bigger so that you can actually move the handle if it's slightly off. There you go, you've got two holes in the door. What I'm going to do now is show you the back. Okay, here's the handle. Here's the screw. Show me that you feel it. My body flows past the sky. I watch your car sinking by. I'm falling on. I'm falling on. I see it now. I see it. So there we go, there's the handle on the door. This is an old kitchen door, like I said before. As you can see, it's already got some holes in it from a previous handle, so all I've done is fixed one of the handles off the doors of another kitchen that I used to have. And as you can see, we've got the door hinges there. As you can see, these are the screws, straight through and tighten to the handle there. I will say you don't need to use power drill to drill the screws in. I'd use a hand one and hand tighten them so that they don't strip the threads when they go in and cause any damage to the handle. You know, occasionally they do make them out of plastic and they are made out of alloy, some of them. These handles happen to be solid metal, so probably alright, but even so you still need to hand tighten them rather than use a drill. And it makes it a lot safer and easier, so you don't, also your drill may slip and scratch the door as well. So nice little tip there, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any ideas that you want to see or want to know how to do something, then drop us a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm the Andy here, signing out, and don't forget to check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.